room 1428 at Four Seasons Orlando. I'm gonna give you a nice little tour. So as soon as you walk in, got this really cool tile work over here, and some nice art over here. And as soon as you walk in over here, this is a powder room, which is really nice and modern looking. And right over here is a big closet with some extra pillows. You need them? And this is the living room area. It's really cool. And it's like another work area. It's just basic stuff here. Couch, big giant TV. This has surround sound, so there's like a subwoofer here. And we're gonna go through this place. I'm going this door. What is wrong with it actually? So this is the balcony. So it's a pretty big balcony. Got seating for 4 here, seating for 2 here. And this is the view. So this is the Oasis pool. This is for adults only. That's the family pool. And over there, with the blue umbrellas, that's the kiddie pool. And there's a full basketball court, and a kids club. Much cool stuff here. And this is a huge dining room. And what's really nice is the ceilings. I don't know what this is called, but it's really, really nice. And the lighting over here. Nice artwork, neutral colors. And this is like a kitchenette area where there's a fridge, wine fridge, and stemware. Just storage down here. And right here is like a little kitchen, which is really nice. We've got everything here, like cups, bowls, plates, if you want to cook in here. And they have everything laid out so nicely. Napkins, coasters, garbage under here. And this thing is really cool. This is a wine cooler, not a wine cooler, like a wine machine. So you just tap what do you want. So there's a Pinot Noir and there's a Chardonnay. You can tap on that, and then you could just get a glass. So this glass is $16. So you just take the glass, set it on here, and you got a nice glass of wine in your room. And it's another fridge here. This is a super fancy cappuccino machine, and this is a microwave, but it looks really cool. And this is the exit from the other door, so you can exit out from here to go to the lobby. And these really nice benches, nice seating area. Everything is done really well. And this is the bedroom. And there's another balcony. The balcony is really, really nice. Same views. Take you to the bathroom, which is really nice. So it's a lot of closet space here. So this is the closet. It's got all the laundry, hamper stuff, slippers, fancy slippers in here. Nice. And there's a safe here. You put your valuables in here. Lots of closet space. Lots of drawers. And a lot of hangers. I feel like some hotels don't really give you a lot of hangers. This hotel has a lot of hangers.
They also had little kid-sized hangers.
Yeah, this is Orlando. They know there's kids, so there's little baby hangers here. Just really cool. And this is the bathroom. This is a beautiful bathroom. So there's a his and hers bathroom. So this area has a TV. So you can watch TV if you want to. And sink, product. And on this side, this is the hers. So there's a little seating area, a bunch of towels, another TV in there. It's a nice chandelier. And this thing right here. This is really, really nice. So the girls love this bathtub. It's like really, really, really big. I can fit in there. Okay, so now let's show you the shower. It's really cool. So this shower has a bunch of things going on. So sprays water here, here, and there, and then the rain shower, which is really good. So I'll turn it on for you. So this is the regular shower, and turn this thing on. Look at this, and then the rain shower, which works really, really well. This is the private area with a bidet, toilet. It's a pretty big size bathroom. I'm 6'2", and this bathroom is pretty big. Walk over here, talk about the chandelier. There's a lot of mirrors here, and this is another mirror here, which is really cool. Bedroom, giant TV. There's a Bose speaker over here. I can show that to you guys. And I want to show you the tablet. So this tablet is really cool. So it's got a charging dock. Has your name on here. Really cool. Shows you the weather. And whatever you want, they can take care of it from here. So if you want to order some food, let's see, order some dining. Let's say, and you can let them know what time you want to order your food. It's all set up really nicely. Velo, we ate here for dinner, which was really good. If you want to look at the menu, you can check out the breakfast menu. All right, so this is the suite. See you later.